Welcome back to DS Essentials. Today I'm unboxing Vanilla Freak by Lattafa, a sweet gourmand fragrance I found at Burlington. The box is so cute and the bottle is embellished with candy, it looks so delicious. With notes of creamy vanilla and fluffy marshmallow, it promises that rich, dessert-like warmth. If you love cozy vanilla scents, this might be one to watch. Let's open it together. Overall, it smells delicious, like buttery vanilla popcorn and a soft cupcake sweetness that instantly lifts your mood. It's playful, gourmand, and perfect for spring and summer. I'll definitely be reaching for this one. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Vanilla Freak or if it's on your wish list. And as always, thank you for watching DS Essentials, and I'll see you in the next video.